Hey, Jody Walters here, MarineMax Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we got two of my favorite boats that we've got in our fleet. Is the 16 Super Sport by Boston Whaler. But we're not really going to talk about a lot of stuff on this boat today. We're not going to talk about the LED lights with the chrome, 3/16 chrome fittings, your cleats. We're not going to talk about it being on a galvanized trailer with a swing away tongue. We're not even going to talk about that all Boston Whalers are completely finished, inside and outside, under the gunnels, inside all the compartments, all hand fiberglassed and finished out. We're not going to talk about the fact that you've got 5 different colors that you can choose from. You can get the entire hull or the quarter hull. We're not even going to talk about the bimini top, the 35 quart cooler that works as a seat, the bench seat with the cup holders, and the fact that you can completely customize this with several different seating options. Bow filler pads. We're not even going to talk about the rails that you can add to it and have complete rail closures. We're not going to talk about the fact that this new console design has got a locking console. What we are going to talk about is what you can use these boats for. These are my favorite boats because they bring back memories of taking one to Port St. Joe. Did a lot of scalloping off of it. It's very easy to get in really shallow water. It only draws about 10 inches of water. Easy access on and off. We're also not going to talk about the fact that my favorite place to take this is up in the marshes up at the north of the bay. You can get in some really tight water. Go up there, see alligators. It's just a beautiful place to go hang out. I'll tell you where that is. As a matter of fact, I keep that kind of a secret. I would rather take you on a sea trial. So come sea trial it. I'll show you my secret spot and we'll have a great time, and you'll love the new Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. Come see me, MarineMax Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm Jody Walters.